Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on messages app. Click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and reset option. Click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.